There was a lot of trepidation, and then suddenly it seemed like the first couple of days were going really great on orders. What's the consensus now?
The consensus is that demand is, through the roof, and supply is not as high as it could be or should be. Right now, if you would go to order an iPhone 10 from Apple's website, pretty much anywhere in the world except Hong Kong, it lists a shipping time of 5 to 6 weeks from today. In Hong Kong, you just can't order one unless you go to a store.
And what else are we looking for in these results? I mean, it'll be mainly those iPhone orders, but we're not going to see those in tonight's results.
Right. In terms of what's coming out for the Q4 results, the two most important things are the iPhone numbers so far for Q4, as well as the overall revenue numbers. Apple's guidance was a revenue number between 49 and 52 billion. Bloomberg consensus is 50.7 billion. So if it hits around there, that'll be about 7 to 9% growth, which would be positive for the company. In terms of iPhone numbers, last Q4 for 2016, they reported 45.5 million iPhones sold. That was including a little bit of iPhone 7 and 7 Plus sales the first couple weeks of that launch. The iPhone 8 has not been a smash hit because a lot of people have been waiting for the iPhone 10, but consensus still points to around 46 million iPhones sold due to some people buying the iPhone 8 and also the cheaper phones, the SE, the 7s, and the 6Ss and the 6s. So we'll see how it plays out. A lot of people pointing towards 46 million phones sold, which would still be a slight year-over-year growth.
Mark, new iPhones traditionally cost $650. We're talking dollars here. The iPhone 10 is $999. Are people going to pay up for it?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the early adopter crowd really would buy the iPhone no matter what it costs, and you can really see that based on how slow iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus demand has been. A lot of people who would have bought in those models are waiting for the 10 anyways, which gives us a lot of pent-up demand for this upcoming Q1 for the holidays. Plus, I think we're going to see a little bit stronger Q2 and Q3 sales, given that it's going to take them some time to get out the supply chain kinks into 2018.